Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you special, that is 11 ways to make money online in India. So if you are looking for magic, then you are in the wrong place. The reality is that the internet cannot give you instant money, but you can build long-term wealth from the internet. Quick tips for you. Data entry jobs providers are mostly scams. Don't waste your valuable time and money. There is no quick way of earning money except in crime and scams. Stay away from both. If you are in immediate need of money, then get a personal loan and work hard to pay off the loan as soon as possible. You can earn a lot of money online if you have a passion to learn a new skill like content writing, SEO. SEO means search engine optimization, designing, video editing. As you know that demands of the videos are increasing, so if you get the skills of video editing, then of course you can earn money online. You can work on starting a profitable blog and expect some increase in 6 to 8 months depending on your smart work. Internet connection and laptop. All you need is an internet connection, laptop, and less than rupees 10,000 to start online business. The only way to get success in life is to learn a profitable skill and invest in our knowledge. Ask yourself, can you invest $10 today for your learning? Become a freelancer. If you are a good programmer, designer, or marketer, then you can find a lot of paid jobs. You just need to be patient and willing to learn more. Become a freelancer, you need to have two skills. To become a good freelancer, one is your core skills, and the second skill is marketing. If you are not a good marketer, then seek help from an experienced marketer to make your profile. You have to have excellent communication skills to get clients. Learn stock market trading. You don't need any money to start freelance work, but you would need a little money to start your career as a stock trader. Become a consultant. You can sell your advice and knowledge to many people. You don't have to be a super expert in one domain to become a consultant or teacher. You just have to be better than your student or client. And as you heard that you can earn money from YouTube, so you might not know that people are making millions from YouTube. Again, not an easy option, but if very much doable for anyone who can record and upload video on particular topic. Earn money from YouTube. Two kinds of people can make successful YouTube channels. One who make funny and entertaining videos. Second, who can make highly helpful videos for a niche audience like students, mothers, housewives, and tech geeks. Make money from Facebook and Instagram. So there is no limit on the earning potential through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Hey, I am not cracking jokes. There are people out there who charge as much as 20,000 rupees for just one tweet or Facebook post. Now close your mouth, it's true. Buy and sell domains. You may not know, but you can rent your website if you have good traffic. I learned this method of making online income, but if you already have a domain and not using it, you can try selling on marketplaces like flippa.com. 7. Income from writing work. Trust me, many companies are looking for good writers, but it is difficult to find writers who write well. You can be the next one. A good writer charges between 5,000 to 20,000 rupees per article. Start blogging to earn money online. You can make money from your writing skills in two ways. Write to someone and make money immediately. Write for yourself and make money slowly but consistently. Make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate is similar to running a retail shop. You sign up with retailers like Amazon and Flipkart, promote your favorite products on your website and social media to make decent money. Start a product startup. You have to work hard to make a product that customers want to buy. The whole process of starting a product company, hiring a team, selling the product is very exciting. 11. Open a digital store. Shopify, WooCommerce or marketplaces. You must be having some products in mind to sell on an online store. It could be electronics, designer, jewelry, and handkerchiefs. You should start with a validating idea, set up the store, procuring products, and finding customers. So it's time for action. I can keep sharing information, but nothing gonna help you until you make the action. People are afraid of failure and they don't start anything. Take the first step and you will see the light ahead. So thank you so much. You any questions you please ask in the comment below. For now, bye bye.